Now part B of my question is prepare a fully classified balance sheet for Sparkly Glass as at the 31st of March 2010. Now here's a great clue. As at the 31st of March 2010. We actually give you the answer there. So, (2010). So what's the first thing I need to put on a balance sheet? After the title. Current assets? No worries. Current assets. I'll put a little line under that. Now it hasn't told me what order I'd put my current assets in, but I'll always look to put my most liquid assets first, which would be my inventory and my prepayments. So let's put in prepaid rent. Prepaid rent is 4,000. So I'll tick that one off. Motor vehicles non-current. Where's my other? I've got cleaning supplies. And that's worth, where did I see just cleaning supplies? 18,000. Is there any others? I've got some accounts receivable. And they're worth 43,000. Any others? No. So let me total those. 4,000 plus 18,000 plus 43,000, 65,000. So I'll put my 65,000 there. And then I'll be putting in, what is it called? Non-current assets. What's my first non-current asset? Motor vehicles. VHICLES. My motor vehicles was worth $90,000. And now, because we've calculated our depreciation, I need to include a depreciation amount, or because it doesn't tell me there's any accumulated depreciation here. So I need to less accumulated depreciation. Now because there's no depreciation or accumulated depreciation told for me, I know that it is the amount that I've put in my income statement of 7,500. So I'll put that in, 7,500. It's a negative figure. Gives me 82,500. Have we got any other non-current assets? No. So total assets is my 82 plus my 65. $147,500 is my assets figure. Now I'm looking to do my current liabilities. And what's my first current liability? Oh, my loan. Any other? Bank overdraft. So I'll put my bank overdraft in first. My bank overdraft is 13,000. And we worked out that we had a current and non-current amount here, so my loan, now how much was it saying that? 15,000 is repayable on the 31st of November, so that would make 15,000 current and the rest would be non-current. I'll tick that one off. Tick off this current liability. And I've got accounts payable as well. Of 11,500. So it's 13, 28, 29, 39, 39,500. And now my non-current liabilities. Now my non-current liabilities is only one. So loan, now we're 15,000, it was 70,000, so that'll leave me 55,000. So my total liabilities will be 39,000 plus 55. That gives me 94,500. And then we have this thing called what's called net assets, which is my assets minus my liabilities. So I have 147,500 less my 94,500 will give me 53,000. So my net assets equals 53,000. What's the next bit? Equity. So my equity account, and the first thing in my equity account is capital. So my capital was how much? Capital by ammonia, we don't know. Okay. The next thing I need to, so we need to work out what my capital is. The next thing we need to work out is what my drawings were. Oh, it actually gives me my drawings, but it's an actual negative figure. I included both of those. Drawings was 29,000, so less my drawings are 29,000. Now, is there anything else I need to add in? Net profit plus my net profit. Now, what was my net profit? My net profit was 51,000. So I need to add 51,000 in. Now all that I know has to come back to the same as my net assets. So that has to equal 53,000. So by that I should be able to work out what my capital is, and that should be how much? 29, whoops, minus my 51 equals minus 22 plus my 53, 31. So that should make my capital 31,000. Does everyone agree with that? Anyone want me to just work out that capital again? No? That's all good. Now the other questions that you get asked are, using the definition about justify your treatment of motor vehicles. Well, that's okay, we don't do that in 2012. We've done that already. That's just we've done that one already, so that's topic 1. Okay, that's all done. There is my finished balance sheet.